Okay, practice problem 3. Let's write it vertically. That's step 1. 8 and 7/9 plus 5 and 9/11. All right. Both of these are prime numbers, so I know I can multiply. I'm going to have a really big denominator, which is 99. 11 times 9 is 99. 9 times 9 is 81. 9 times 11 is 99. 7 times 11 is 77. Okay? So now I have to add those. I can't do that in my head. You can use a calculator for this part if you want, just to make sure you don't make a mistake. We're going to get 8 and 15. So I have 158 over 99 when I add my fractions. See that? It's bigger than my denominator, so we're going to have step 4. But let's go ahead and add our whole numbers. 8 plus 5 is 13. Now I've got to see how many times does 99 go into 158. It's just once. So I multiply. Now I'm going to subtract. 18 minus 9 is 9. 14 minus 9 is 5. So I have 1 and 59 99ths, which I need to add to this 13. Okay? So it's 13 plus 1, and then the fraction. 13 plus 1 is 14, and then we have 59 over 99, and that's the final answer. I can't reduce that, can't make it any smaller. Final answer. So that was the more difficult example. Let's try 4. Step 1, vertically. Step 2, add your fractions, 8 and 10. 80 is big, so I'm going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30. 8 can go into 40, so my common denominator is just 40, not 80. 8 times 5 gives you 40. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 4 gives you 40. 4 times 4 is 16. Now I can add my fractions, right? 10 plus 16 is 26 over 40. I add my whole numbers and I get 7. You can write this as your final answer and you will be correct. But you may have noticed that you can reduce this by 2 because those are both even. So 26, if you cut that in half, is 13. And 40, if you cut it in half, is 20. So either one of these answers will be correct on your exit ticket. Okay? You don't have to reduce yet. Eventually we'll get there. Try 5 and 6.